Here at Dinh Market in District 3, Saigon, we're gonna try out a Vietnamese dessert that I've never had before. You've had it before, right? It's called chè. So let's try some out. Chè bun. Phải không? Okay.
Mời ông đi, mời ông ăn. Không được chiên nè, có không được chiên nè.
Okay. 2 chairs for the big boy. Hai ghé. Người bú. Okay, so what kind of chè do you want?
I want chè đậu đen. Chè đậu đen, có đậu đen còn không? Hay là không có thì đó đậu xanh cũng được. Đậu đen, có đậu đen. Có đậu đen, dạ, có đậu xanh. Đậu xanh hột còn không? Còn luôn. Thôi đậu xanh. Rồi có ăn nước dừa không? Dạ. Rồi đi đậu xanh hột không dừa.
Which one should I get? Đậu trắng?
I don't know. I really like đậu đen and đậu xanh.
So the black bean or the
Mung bean.
mung bean?
Dạ có.
Which one did you get?
Mung bean.
Okay, I'll get đậu đen.
Okay.
Yeah, một chè đậu đen.
Có ăn nước dừa không? You want coconut milk for that?
Yeah.
Có nước dừa luôn.
Yes, I do. I do want coconut milk. If ever asked if I want coconut milk, I think the answer is always going to be sí, por favor. Yes, please. So is that the? That's the đậu đen. And then she makes all the chè back here, right? Little chè station. Is this the nước dừa? Yeah, nước dừa. Ah. Come on. Yeah, okay. I'll take a straw. Thank you. Why not? Okay, so what is chè?
Sweet soup.
Sweet soup. I'm gonna just try a little drink of it.
Actually, scoop it up.
It sort of tastes like sweet refried beans. I don't know if you can imagine that.
Yeah, it's like it. It's just not fried. It's steamed or like boiled. So how you cook chè is you put the beans in like a pot, and then like you pour just water and sugar in it, and then you cook it over like slow cook it over a long period of time until like the bean gets
I guess that's like the soft, mushy part of the bean down there, that black part. I got the black beans. You gotta see the shape of black beans in there as well. And then on top, I got the white stuff that's coconut milk or coconut water. Milk?
Yeah.
And then you got mung bean, which is like a yellow type of bean.
It's green.
Green.
Yeah, it's you grow mung bean into bean sprouts.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay, interesting. So the is that's like a mature mung bean is
That's right. And I got it without coconut milk.
No coconut milk in yours. So essentially, if it weren't for you, those would become fully grown bean sprouts. The bean sprout population has you to blame.
Like a mass
That's, you know,
I love it.
I don't want to be the one to have to raise awareness like this, but sometimes you kind of have to. You fight for the right of the bean sprout. Say yeah to yeah. That's gonna be my slogan. Say yeah to yeah.
Wait. Don't use a straw.
Okay.
So the way to eat chè is always with a spoon. You mix it all up.
Ah.
See,
Well.
she just said that you took all the water out of it.
Oh, that's okay.
So usually you scoop all the bean up and you eat it.
Can you help me?
Move the cup closer. Yeah. And then you drink the water at the end when you eat all the bean. You take like a big gulp, like, you know.
Oh. Okay. So I usually do this, guys. I'm guilty of it a lot. When I try these new things, I eat them wrong. I don't mean to do it, but you know, I'm just a novice. I don't really know how. So let me try to do this the right way. Got my black beans here. So this is meant to be a dessert dish, right?
That's right.
It's almost like not that desserty, not that sweet, which kind of like, I want to say, sort of embodies the nature of Vietnamese cuisine or Vietnamese food, where it just always leans on the side of healthy. It's not super sweet or super sugary. I think you could eat this and you wouldn't feel like crap afterwards, like you would after eating maybe a 3-scoop hot fudge sundae. It's got, I think, protein in the beans, probably some other nutrients from the coconut milk. Overall, it just seems like a very healthy dessert. I'll give it, I like black beans. I'm glad that I'm a black bean fan. I've never had chè before, so I don't really know what to compare it to. I'm just gonna have to give it a wild 8.1. What are you thinking on yours? You're an experienced chè eater. Chè's been part of your diet for the majority of your life here on Earth.
Yeah, probably something else when we get to Mars. Totally.
Yeah, that's right. You know, well, I mean, you gotta take in the possibility of interplanetary diets, but here on Earth, chè has been part of your, right. So, you've got reference points, you've got things to compare this to. What are you saying on this chè?
I'm giving it a 7.
7.0?
I've had better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had better. That's all I can say.
All right.
This is good. This is standard. This is what to expect.
Yeah.
But it could get better.
Sometimes that's all there is to say, or that I've had better. I've never had, so I can't say that. I've had black beans, but I've had all of these ingredients individually. I've had ice. I've had coconut milk. I've had black beans. That's all there is to it, right? And water. I've had water.
Yeah.
That's it. I've had all of those things individually, but I've never had those mixed together. In fact, if I ever thought to mix those together, that would be like one of the most wild creations that I could ever think of. But then I might try and be like, that's a relatively low calorie, good feeling dessert that would fit into the realm of acceptable Vietnamese cuisine. Can I drink my water yet? Am I allowed? Do I need more bean bites? Grandpa needs a bite.
You need to finish your beans to drink the water. It's a quest.
Finish your bean. Sorry. I'm either a grandpa or a baby.
I'll be grandma.
You want to be a grandma? Oh, there you go. you gotta eat with a little bit of the handshake. Get the ASMR of the clanky spoon. the alcoholic eating chair. Good stuff. Okay. No, it's okay. You have some of yours. They probably sold chè here for a long time. Bán chè ở đây bao lâu rồi? Bao nhiêu năm rồi?
40 năm trở lên rồi.
40 năm hả? So 40 years they've sold chè here. Long time. Lâu quá.
Is it low ghê?
Low ghê. Not low straight.
That's more, yeah, that's more like exclamatory more than low quá, because low quá is like too long.
Oh, okay, low ghê.
Low ghê is like, wow, that's so long.
Low ghê. How do you spell gay?
Ghe with a hat.
Low ghê. Oh yes, that's even better. Now I can use my own hand. Grandpa takes quick bites. Grandpa, speedy grandpa. Mm. 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 Try to eat chè faster than this. We can't spell cheetah without chè. Yes, I can drink my water now. Finally did it. Mm. Ooh, the water is like the best part. It soaks up all like the bean juice and the coconut milk. If you got coconut milk with yours, you didn't. All finished. Come right. Okay, xin tiền.
40. Ngon không? Ngon không?
Ngon.
Ngon.
Rất ngon.
Có thể qua bển làm chi nhánh không?
What's that mean?
Can she open a branch in America?
Yes. Yes, you can.
Ăn ở đây em về. Ăn đây à? Đi thập cẩm bỏ thứ 6 vô ăn đây.
How does she know I'm American?
More like overseas. I was adding my own personal interpretation into that.
Come on, go.
Mấy đồ mắc mát.
Yeah, thank you. All right, all finished. That was good
Walk
stuff.
around.
Well, let's call that a vlog. So, guys, thanks for watching. If you want to come here and get some chè, come here to Chè Bun at Chợ Thon Dinh. Here in District 3, Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, District 3. On Nguyen Hue Co Street and Hai Ba Chung Street. But yeah, hopefully you guys liked that video. If you did like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, support the growth, and leave any comments you have. I'm really happy to hear from you all. And I will see you in the next vlog. Peace.